stripes on the bottom, different stripes on the top, so that the judges know exactly what orientation the aircraft is in. Look at that. Strong. Right back at show center.
Ôi ôi trời ơi.
Too spin!
Lộn ngược luôn.
Watch his aircraft again. Airspeed goes down to zero as he tumbles across the top. Points the nose down. Nothing but terra firma filling up the windshield of the Extra 330. Right back covers in. Aaron takes the aircraft up. Knife edge. Outside tumble back to knife edge. Look at that precision, ladies and gentlemen. Back out on his own tail, disappearing in the smoke. Somewhere in there. There he comes. Gravity finally pulling the nose over on the Extra 330 as he points it straight down. Woo! Showing us again the unique.
Trời ơi, chắc té luôn đó Nguyên ơi. Hỏi luôn á.
Em nói chứ là sao?
You hear me right, 420 degrees per second.
Trời ơi, trời ơi, trời ơi, chất
Coming down
lộn
to
ngược
45
luôn.
degree line again. We're going to get the first games on the TV off the length of this aircraft. During aircraft competition, these aircraft roll.
And a fearless, highly skilled airman, as demonstrated in the thrilling performances you just saw. If you are
And went on to train so many pilots in the early jet age, you're going to get a chance to see two beautiful examples of the T-28, the Trojan Flyers with us this weekend.
Kỹ nó đi luôn.
Skip Stewart
Nó cua đó.
and his highly modified
Okay, đây.
special.
NC-130J to the Osprey. The CV-22 also has the unique capability of converting from fixed-wing flight. On, you need to miss. You need to miss. Oh no! It looks like they hit one of our aircraft. It does not look very good. I don't think that they can save the aircraft. Bail out! Bail out! Bail out!
Em nào.
Hai người phi công nãy dù kìa.
Two parachutes. I see.